Hello there, family friends. If you're from across the world, Joey Jones is back on the road. But first, let me say, there's a lot of people that be asking me, CR England trucks, Swift trucks, the majority of these big companies like JB Hunt, almost everyone is going automatic because of the fuel efficiency. You know, automatic trucks, they save more gas, more fuel than a manual truck. So this truck and the trucks that they're gonna give it, the all manual, automatic. And here it is right here. You know, you have this right here. You can go to neutral, and you see it on the screen. And then 1 is for drive, that's gear 1. And then R1 is for reverse 1. So that's all you have. You have just reverse 1. And then if you want to go semi manual, if you long press this right here, and you have it hit there too, that there, if you go to manual, you long press in and auto mode short press. So if say if you're going uphill, you can use that option if you want, or engine brake. Engine brake on the left there, that's for off, low, medium, high. I'll show you that real quick. So then engine brake, I'll show you that in a bit. But let me show you when you long press. When you long press it, then there it is on neutral drive. That's manual. See, when you long press it again, that's automatic. Long press, and then you just shift it down. Yep, you just shift it. There it is. Just go up, and then go to 3rd gear, and then 4th gear, and then 5th gear, and then pressing down, you push it down, the downshift. See, downshift. You use this option when you're going up hills, okay? But I don't use that. I just long press it, and I just leave it on Econ. That's what I leave it on, Econ. And then engine brake is when you click it down. So right here you see engine brake. You got low, medium, high. So right now all the way up is off, and then when you press it down, you got low, medium, and high. All the way up is off. Now engine brake, you use it, let's say you're driving fast and you need your truck to slow down. You just click it down once, and it helps you slow down harder. You know, the engine, for some reason, I guess it works on the pistons. So when you have it on low engine brake, which is right now it's on low, medium, and now I have it on high. So high is a harder stop. So say if you're going fast, see right now it's on high engine brake. So when you release it, see, it just slows you down. It's like using your brake, you know. And that's, I use that a lot going downhill, you know. But a lot of manuals have downshifting, and we use manual. But yes, we use engine brake. And yes, all these trucks are all automatics. They nice, and you won't have to stress shifting gears and your shoulders be hurting. You have a sore leg for clutching, and that's all you have, just the fuel and the brake. And then this right here is for your steering wheel to adjust it. I show you. If you press down on that, you can adjust the steering wheel, pull it out, or push it back in. So I like to keep mine high. Yep, that's basically what it is. I mean, I'm on a big parking lot, so there's no traffic. So that's why I'm showing you how to do it. But just be careful with what you do. I'm okay. There's hardly vehicles around me, but just right now. But yeah, these are automatics, and this is these are 12 gear automatics, and these are beautiful trucks. And then some trucks have this right here. This is a trailer brake. Sometimes when I'm going fast and I need to slow down, I pull this a little bit gently down, and it helps me slow down. So this right here is for the back container. So when you press it down a little bit, pull it down, it helps you slow down. So when you're going fast and you need to slow down, when you have a heavy load, you know, extend it and you can press, you know, that's how I use it. But if you're gonna park the vehicle, then that's like an emergency brake. Same thing as this here. Same thing as this. This is the trailer emergency brake, and this is the tractor emergency brake. And yep, just pull it down a little bit and it'll slow you down. Okay, same thing here. Engine brake right now is all the way up high. High, medium, low, so off. It's like short little clicks. You can feel the click on it. All right, my peoples. So that's all I have for today. Right now, look how it shifts. I'll show you right now. I'm not doing anything. Show you how real quick how it shifts. Just you hear it? 6. It skips gears and it does it automatically. There you go. I mean, I love these trucks, and this is a Freightliner automatic. And again, there's a Swift, JB Hunt, CR England trucks. They're all automatics. So as soon as you go to school, that's the first thing you're gonna learn. They're gonna put you on, and you're gonna learn all the basics on the automatic. All right, so that's all I have for today. Then and I'm getting ready to go and do my load. So again, people, thanks for watching, for your subscribing. You guys mean a lot to me. And good luck out there. Be safe. God bless you, all my friends and viewers. And please go ahead and study hard. It can be done. And do what you got to do. So I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. God bless you all. I love ya. Later.